Hey guys, welcome to Williams, Arizona, and this is our yurt. We stayed here for one night, so let's take a tour. So right over here is our toilet and outdoor shower. We didn't use it. Well, Anthony did last night because it's really cold right now. And then this is where we are entering, so make sure to take off your shoes. Alright, so now you're inside the yurt. This is the bed. This is the couch over here. There's a little table where we write our notes. We have a fan, a fireplace right here, and then a little kitchenette with the fridge. And then we have a small heater right here. And then just like a nightstand over there. Then we have some bean bags, there's some board games. And this is where we stayed for the night. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour of our yurt.